Hey guys, this week we're going to be showing you how to take a solid piece of wood like this one and bend it 180 degrees. Stick around. Hello and welcome to this week's edition of BS with AJ. This week we're going to be talking about wood bending. And we're going to show you a technique where you can take a piece of wood like this and bend it 180 degrees. It's called slice wood bending and it's really neat. I've been thinking of a few projects I could be using this on, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so for this bending technique, we're going to be using a bandsaw. Now as you can see, I've already got all my lines marked here. I've got an 1/8 inch line on this side, I've got a 1/2 inch mark from the top and a 1/2 inch mark from the bottom. I've also got these pieces over here. Each one of these pieces equals about 1/8 of an inch. It's a little bit over actually. And I've got 8 of them. This piece here will equal 9 of these pieces. And when I put all these together, it leaves us an 1/8 inch on this side and on that side. Now I've went ahead and I've got my fence set up on my bandsaw, and our first cut is going to be this line here. So we'll be running it down the bandsaw, which will actually be running this way, and we're going to cut this first line from the very top all the way to this line. Then we're going to add one of these pieces on. We're going to flip our piece over, and we'll be going to this line instead. We'll be coming from the very top again all the way to the opposite side. And you'll see what I'm saying as I'm doing it, but we just keep doing this until we go all the way across the board. And that's what actually allows us to bend it. Alright, and here's our end result. Now you can see, it kind of like a slinky a little bit. You can bend it 180 degrees without it falling apart. I can think of a few different projects I could work on using this method here. That's pretty cool. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and consider supporting BS with AJ on Patreon so we can do bigger and better projects for you guys.